Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you have a child who always likes to ask why, when, how, who, all those types of curious questions, then they will love this book, Ada Twist Scientist. Now, this book is so much fun because it really shows how curiosity can help a child develop and even start to experiment. So, little Ada here is a scientist, and she just asks all kinds of questions. It is a fun book that is trying to solve the problem of what that stinky smell is. And Ada goes through all kinds of scientific processes to try to determine where that stink comes from. Now, this book also has a popular TV show, and so it's really fun that not only can your child learn the characters here, but also can watch a fun educational show too. Now, Ada Twist has an awesome cadence throughout the book. I love the way that the author just put the words together. It helps to let your child know that it's okay to ask questions and experiment to figure out why things happen. This book is just so entertaining for kids and adults alike. We love this along with the other series of books in this set, and they really just help to promote perseverance, critical thinking, curiosity, and let a child know that it is okay and it's fun to keep asking questions. So definitely check out Ada Twist Scientist, and that's just our point of view.